Okay, go.
Go, go. Move.
Okay.
Go. Up the middle. Up the middle. You're doing. Mommy, you have to go up here. You're slow. Because you didn't listen. Lagging.
Be careful. Good job. Alright, now do it in reverse. The other way now.
Oh, I know it.
No, so back through this way.
Right, no, you.
No, wait.
No, you go this way, that way, over. Look at that.
Oh. You're okay.
Aww.
You okay? Alright, get up quick.
Come on, I'm timing you. Be greasy.
She did knock her noggin.
I did?